Hey there, I'm Raj and I'm a day trader who started 6 months ago through BBT chat room as a member. I had done my first recap yesterday. I had a good day yesterday and managed to stay green for last 5 days. Today was not so good day. I overtraded and hit my max loss, but still I traded not respecting my risk control settings. Today is the day where I traded impulsively, overtraded, revenge traded, lost control, and did not set stops after that one bad trade. It ruined weeks disciplined trading. Let's look at the trades I took and how I lost control and how I got back all the losses by taking a 10 minutes break. My first trade was Roku. This stock had gapped down and I was long biased as Roku had been on a tear from past couple of weeks. The first trade didn't go well. With a small position, I had a $180 loss and then I took it again and again. If you see the first minute candle, it went above VWAP, and the second minute it went again above VWAP. So I went long, but it fell down very fast, and that's how Roku trades. It's very fast, and I tried again and I was frustrated that I had a big loss, and I went after it for next almost 15-20 minutes. It's a classic example of revenge trading. Lessons learned here is do not get in the same stock again when you are frustrated with its losses. Then I saw TVIX. I saw the SPY was dropping and TVIX was going up, so I went in with a huge position and I got out with a $200 loss. It didn't work well. By now I was about $1,100 loss and I had no choice but to get out of the room and get some fresh air. I went out and had a small walk and a talk with myself, and I got back in after some time. It's known to everyone that after 10 a.m. the stocks move slowly, and getting back so much losses was next to impossible for a new trader. I went out for a walk and cursed myself. The first thing I said to myself was, why? Why would I get in the same trade again and again when I'm clearly revenge trading? I took 2 deep breaths and I walked for some time to cool off and came back, but I still traded. I looked at the trade idea scanner for high of the day bull flag, VWAP breakouts, volume breakouts, and top and bottom reversals. That's where I found my winners, which got me back in the game. ACAD, TWLO. These were the 2 stocks which were the winners, big winners for today. Let's look at ACAD. I took this for a long with a very small position and I got out as I was nervous. This was the longest trade I took today. It was a small position, but I saw that the volume was increasing minute by minute, so I went in with big positions, kind of medium positions, but I got out with almost 250 something profit. The another trade I took was with TWLO. Now this was kind of tricky. I went short above the VWAP because this was clearly had a downtrend, and I got out when I saw some hesitation over the price on the price and sale, and then I waited and I got in again with a big position, and I was stopped out by risk control settings because I had already gained around $220, and that's my stop gain where it kicks me out. So I cleared all the risk control settings and waited for this stock and saw that the volume is moving. It was really good. So I went in into this trade again at 10:14 and came out like the second minute. I just wanted to keep my profits as I had a big loss. I was very afraid to be in the trade for a long time. I did that for next 4 trades on the same symbol, and it fetched me really good profits. So both these stocks saved my day. If you see the PNL today, it's red and green equally, and it was kind of I was relieved that I didn't lose a lot today, but I learned a lot today too. So thanks all for watching the video. Please do not overtrade, and as the experienced traders say, live to trade another day. Have a good day. Stay green.